Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling parts and laying the spine of the train. Rails with powered rails every 7 to 8 blocks. Lay a mostly straight route so the furnace minecart can push smoothly. Steep climbs need extra powered rails. Once done, position a small station area with a short pocket of rails for coupling. Make sure to have 5 or more minecarts ready to form the consist, and 1 furnace minecart to act as the locomotive. That setup lets you move multiple cars as one train. Next, you assemble and couple the cars directly on the track. Place the empty minecarts in a line and add the furnace minecart as the locomotive. Position it at one end. Furnace minecarts push when fueled, so behind the consist is typical for a push train. Fuel the furnace with coal or charcoal. A few pieces will start motion. Once moving, powered rails will maintain speed. Make sure corners are gentle, so the chain of carts doesn't separate or derails due to sharp turns. To finish, ignite the furnace and push the train onto the powered rail sections, watching acceleration and alignment. Make adjustments. Add powered rails where it slows and smooth out tight turns. If the train buckles or carts separate, reduce the number of cars and retest because spacing and momentum matter. Sometimes one fewer cart fixes alignment. Troubleshooting tip. If it stalls on slopes, add extra powered rails and ensure the furnace has several coal pieces. That cured most common issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.